So the first step is to go to Phonto, and I'm just going to be resetting that to start over, and then click on plain image, choose the black or white, and then choose color. Now what you want to do is you want to try and find the shade that Emma uses, and what I do for that is that I choose the lightest shade, and then I play with the red hue and the green hue until I get the shade that I think looks the closest to Emma. Then you want to go to the numbers, which is the size, and choose your phone size. What you want to do now is you want to use that image, and then you want to go to add text. Then you want to go to font and choose the font that's called Arial Bold. Then you want to type in the channel name that you want to be using. I'm just going to be writing Emma Chamberlain for the purpose of this video, but you can write anything. Then you want to go to style and make it white. Then you want to go to move, layout, and choose the first option. And you want to keep on repeating this process, just making each keep on typing the channel name on and on, and making them under each other. I'm just going to be trying to speed this process up a little bit so you guys can know what I'm doing, because it kind of takes a while, but that's okay. You're just going to keep on doing this, making them under each other and leaving a bit of space between them. As you guys can see, that's what I'm doing right now. Then after you're done, you want to change the color to the second shade of orange. And then what you want to do is you want to go and to add text, and then copy the channel name, and then keep on pasting it the same amount of times that you wrote the channel name. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys that you have to save it when you finish typing the white. After you're done with that, you want to go to style and then stroke and choose the same color of the text and make the width 2. Then you want to go to style and then shadow, make the alpha 100% and the blur a bit around 70% and 80%. Anywhere between that is okay. Then you want to go to the x-axis and the y-axis to make it look like it's just behind it. Then you want to click on move and layout, and then choose the second choice and just move it around until you think it looks good. After you're done with that, you want to save that image. Then you want to go to this app called Picsart. I'll be leaving the link below. This app is going to help us create the shake effect that Emma uses. Just click on the purple plus button and then choose the white text that I told you guys to save. Then you want to go to effects and then choose the blur option. And then you want to scroll until you see this option called radial blur. Now you're going to click on it again, and you want to play with the settings until it looks good. Then after you're done with that, you want to click on next and then save the image. Then the next thing that you're going to be doing is you're going to be doing the same to the orange one, which has the shade. You want to be doing the exact same process, just making the blur a little bit more intense, because this is what it looks like. Then you want to click on apply and then next, and then save that image too. Now what you want to do is you want to go to record the sound effects that Emma uses, and I'll be leaving the links in the description below. Then what you want to do is you want to choose the white and then the white radial blur and then the orange radial blur. So you want the original one, and then the one with the effect, and then the orange with the effect. Then you want to click on create, and you want to disable the Ken Burns by pinching with both fingers and clicking on Ken Burns enable to disable it. Then you want to shorten the length of the clips so that it looks so that it's the same length as Emma's intro. And then you want to change the transitions to none, because that looks better. After you're done with that, you're just gonna save the clip so that you have it in your camera roll. Here I'm just playing with the length of the clips so that it's not too long or not too short. And after you're satisfied with it, just make sure to go and click on done, and then save that. And then as I told you guys before, you want to record the sound effect and the song that Emma uses. I'm gonna be leaving the link in the description. I already did that, so I'm just gonna click on the plus and then video, and then I'm gonna click on the music that she uses. Then I'm gonna be clicking on the three dots and then the audio so that it's detached. As you guys can see, it's cut perfectly, so I don't have to do anything about that. And then I'm gonna click on the glass shatter effect, and I'm gonna do the same, and I'm gonna move it to match the orange clip. So this is what it looks like. And after you're done, you want to click on done, obviously, and then on the box with the arrow, and then you want to click on save and choose the size that you want. The next step is to go to this app called Video Star. You want to click on the plus sign, and then you want to click on edit video. You want to choose the recent video that you just saved from iMovie, and then you want to click on make video. After you did that, you want to split the clip at where the radial blur effect takes place. This is where you want to split the clip by clicking on edit and then quick split, and then split and then split it. Then you want to go to where it turns into the orange, and then you want to click on edit, quick split, and then split it. And after that, you want to go to the white text with the radial, which is the middle clip. Then you want to go to new and then re-effect, click on the plus sign, and then click on the search. And then you want to search for wiggle. What you want to do is you want to play with the speed and the intensity of the effect. Then you want to click on OK. Then you want to go to the last clip, which is the orange one, and you want to do the same, but just make the intensity of the wiggle effect a little bit more than the previous one. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm just making it a little bit more intense. After I'm done with that, I'm just going to click on re-effect, and that's basically it. You're done. After you're done, just click on the X and then on the box with the arrow and send it to your camera roll. And that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe and comment down below any video ideas you have.